Hi children, welcome to EduCub. We are with the second part of the lesson Animal Classification in grade 8 Science. Today's our topic is main vertebrate groups. Vertebrates can be scientifically classified depending on their common features. Let's see what are the groups of them. Fishes, amphibia, reptilia, aves, and mammalia. First one is fishes. The group of animals well adapted to live in water belongs to fishes. Let's see some examples for those. Tilapia, skate, shark, bluefin, tuna. Let's discuss about the features of fishes. First one, body is invariably streamlined. This feature helps them to swim through water. The body is covered with scales. Third one, has fins to swim through water and to balance while swimming. Respiration through gills. Possess eyes without eyelids. Our next group is amphibia. Amphibians spend part of their life cycle in water. Let's say examples: frog, toad, salamander, ichthyopus. Features of amphibians. First one, undergo metamorphosis. Skin is thin, moist, and glandular. No scales in the skin. Some species use limbs for locomotion. Respiration is carried out by lungs through wet skin or mouth. Next vertebrate group is reptilia. Reptilians belong to this group. They are well adapted for the terrestrial environment. Examples are tortoise, crocodile, cobra, viper. Features of reptilia. Possess a dry skin with scales. No glands are present in the skin. Use limbs for locomotion, but some reptilians are limbless. They are adapted for crawling. Respiration through lungs. Next vertebrate group is aves. Birds belongs to the group aves. They are well adapted for flying. Swan, owl, parrot, blue magpie. Features of aves. Streamlined body is designed for flying. Body is covered with feathers. Possess limbs for locomotion. Forelimbs are adapted as wings. They do not have teeth, but the beak is adapted to feeding. Breathe using lungs. The next one is mammalia. These animals feed on mother's milk. Gorilla, dolphin, deer, loris, whale, stag, man, rat, orangutan, bat. Example for mammals. Features of Mammalia: has mammary glands. Skin has sweat glands, sebaceous glands, and hair. Possesses an external ear with earlobe. Mammals have lungs to breathe. I think by studying this lesson, you have identified that there is the wide diversity among animals. You can further study about them by visiting zoological gardens and wildlife parks. All animals contribute immensely to maintain the balance of the environment. So you have to protect the environment. Thank you. This is what we have to learn throughout the second lesson in grade 8 science. Let's meet with another new video, the diversity and functions of plant parts.